stick along. Whoa!
Down there works.
What? How fast are you going?
15. Hello everybody, welcome back to the Cool Cruisers YouTube channel.
I'm Ethan. Hey guys, welcome back to the Cool Cruisers channel.
You should put that at the end of your video.
Starting out, we got our differential here out of the Galaxy. We got this loaded up. I'm gonna take it to the car wash, blow it off, get it painted, let's get it in the car. Got it all blowed off, cleaned up. A little hand scrubbing is gonna be needed, but about ready for paint. Alright, we just hit up Dollar General here for the high quality spray paint rust preventative Pro Essentials. It's not no Rust-Oleum, but you know what? It should do the job. Alright guys, got out back here, got some can of paint. We're gonna cover her up. Not bad so far. Starting to look good. Alright, I'll show you guys what she looks like. Got a color or two on it. Nice matte black, nothing too shiny. But this is the first step to a couple more to getting this car back on the road. So why not make it look nice while you're at it, you know? While I was painting the differential, Dad got busy on taking this loose. Got it up in the air. Got our half shackle loose here. So we're right on the track to get this off. This passenger side bracket and U-bolts. Oh. This side is technically free. One more side to go. She's loose. Gotta scavenge my old parts like this. Got it. Easy peasy. That's two. Let's change these wheel cylinders. Should be already, I guess. It's coming together. Alright. Oh yeah. Looking good. Okay guys, this is the day 2 of working on this. Kind of a short day, it's got not working. But what we have done, I'll show you. I started to straighten out this quarter panel. It's gonna need a lot more love, but I'm getting it. The rear axle is mocked up. U-bolts are threaded on. Yeah, I gotta run the brake line still. Get everything tightened up and get the rear end at the right angle, dry shaft hooked up. But a day or so we should have the tires back on this and have it back on the road. Either way, I'm excited to have my car back again. Thanks to Dad and the 63. Alright, here we are. A tire on the other side, mocked up, looking good. Got an e-brake cable pulled through. I have to move this axle just a little bit to get it right in line. Hook the drive shaft up, get our brakes back on, and then we are in the home stretch of this project. Let's see, alright. So, it's time. I'm going to try to get the drive shaft put back in. We're in. Whew. There. Whew. That was kind of a fight. Shouldn't you sit in? Hey, there we go. Alright, back. Turns out the U-bolts are different. So I got the old ones off the old rear end back, well this rear end. Since the new ones won't work, unfortunately. Or I mean the original ones don't work with this. So let's see what happens here. Alright. I'll bring it back with the old one. Alright guys, today's Thursday. Car's still on blocks and we're not done. Dad and I, we got the old rear end out. We got everything off of it. Got it painted, cleaned up. I mean the new rear end painted, cleaned up. Got it in the car. We messed with that quarter panel, trying to straighten it up. That needs more work too. And my issue I ran into at this point is the U-joint. So that 63 Galaxy, since it has a big block FV 352, it has 1 1/8 U-joint caps. So the yoke and the yoke on that rear end is in my car right now is set up for 1/8", and my factory U-joints are 1/16". Here is our other dry shaft, and with the bigger 1/8" caps, and they are bigger too. So that's optional. It's because that Galaxy had the 352 engine. So that's why I couldn't bolt up my dry shaft the other night. It wouldn't fit. The U-joints were too small. I was like, what the heck is going on? The U-bolts are different. So we had two choices. I have 2 or 3. I'm kind of trying to figure out what I want to do, and you'll find out soon. I'll post updates, but we can either try to get the yokes off both differentials and swapped, and then I'll solve our problem. Maybe use the other dry shaft off the 63 Galaxy, which I'm not really leaning on, but it could work. I'm sure it's not too much different in length, about 2-3 inches maybe. Or when I did some digging, they sell a conversion U-joint, which takes a 1/16" and 1/8" U-joint, and what it does is puts the 1/8" on one side and 1/16" on the other, so you can adapt dry shafts to different yokes. Pretty spiffy. So I might buy that. I'm gonna see how hard it is to get it and see if it's reasonable, and maybe we'll do that. So I'm sad that we're not done yet, but it's raining. We got rain off the roof today. That's why I'm here a little earlier. It ain't dark, and I'm rained out. It's Thursday, so we're gonna call it a day on the Edsel. But we're making progress. I gotta put my brakes up, get the dry shaft situation figured out, and we're gonna be on the road. The 60 Edsel will be driving again. I can't wait to see it. I can't wait for you guys to see it too. Either way, this is our first official episode on the Cool Cruisers channel. Thank you to everyone who's come over from the Two Sides channel. There's already 100 of you. I couldn't believe that there's 100 people that follow me and want to keep up on what I'm doing. I thought 20 was like, there's probably 20 people that'll come over. No, I have 96 right now, and you guys are still coming on over, and I'm humbled by it. I don't think I deserve all that. I appreciate you guys, all of you. You guys are great. I love that you guys like to see what my family and I are doing with all these old cars and keeping them alive and having a good time. So thanks everyone for stopping in and supporting my little journey with these cars. I'll see you next time. And here is a video of our current situation. Might be hard to see. But up there is the 1/8" yoke with the 1/16" cap, and they don't fit right. So that's our problem. But we are mocked up. U-bolts snugged up pretty good. Wheel cylinders in. I gotta put the brake line back on the differential. But besides that, we're like ready to rock. I mean, this brake stuff, if you don't have drum brakes enough, you know this is an easy process. Throw them back on, piece of cake. It's pretty exciting too.